Hi, and you're just catching the end of Matt and Will's bike ride around Telford.
On a bike ride.
Yeah.
We're going around Telford.
We've been at Town Park, been around the town centre. We've even been around station. We went to knock on Kendall's door, but no one was in.
Where were you, Kendall?
Where were
you?
you
And Julie.
Where were you?
Every time.
The light was on in the living room, but Cat was there, Carl was there. Yeah, no.
Denzel was in. Denzel was in, Kendall.
Yeah.
Where was you? She's not good.
So we're just standing outside the Holiday Inn now, and I'm about to make my way back to St George's.
Hey, you to Aston.
I'm going to Aston.
Oh, let's go to Aston.
Alright. Good. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, make some noise. Ah!
Oh.
Boy, get done.
Get lost.
Like that.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Anybody see the match?
What?
Shrewsbury.
No, thank God.
Amateurs.
Amateurs. A whole lot of them in that town. Bloody sheep.
Well, catch up.
Yeah, sure.
And then you can do a bit of filming.
Alright, yeah. Come on. It's like marathon of a bike.
Come on.
Come on. I got transfer home.
Just got a face. Hey, good lad. Oh.